So how can we use the above conditions? Let's have some examples. First example, find inverse Laplace transform of this function. Inverse Laplace transform of 1 upon s minus 2. So according to the above condition, we can write inverse of 1 upon s minus 2 is equal to e to the power 2t. This 2 is a. Second example, inverse of 1 upon Laplace inverse of 1 upon s plus 3 is equal to Laplace inverse of 1 upon s minus 3 is equal to e to the power minus 3t. We are coming to third example. Inverse Laplace transform of 1 upon s to the power 6 is equal to inverse Laplace transform of 1 upon s to the power 5 plus 1 is equal to t to the power 5 upon 5 plus 1 bar 5 plus 1 gamma. So this is equal to t to the power 5 factorial. In place of this we can write 5 factorial. So if we simplify it, more t to the power 5 upon 120. We have already know about the factorial. So this value is become this. Fourth example, inverse Laplace transform of 1 upon s square plus 4 is equal to inverse Laplace transform of 1 upon s square plus 2 square is equal to 1 upon 2 sin 2t. So we can easily find these values to look into the inverse of Laplace transform.